Okay, here we are. It's Friday, July 26, 2013, a little past 4:30. Okay, the original intent is to eliminate this run of exhaust air coming out of the restaurant that goes up to the roof, because if they're going to start re-renting space up there for parties or whatever, weddings, who knows what, receptions, they don't want everybody smelling French fries and whatever, who knows what, maybe wanting to go down and eat instead of eating the food up there. So this new unit, this green unit, was placed in between the other existing units, and then when it was put in, well, first of all, they had to put a extra wooden platform underneath it because it was too close to the other unit, didn't let any exhaust out of the other unit. So that was done to move it away from that. And then the bypass, which was up here now, that's way up on the top, that was going to go straight across and cut off the exhaust air coming out of that unit, which would force it back in, cause it to overheat, and then it would die. So now the first fix was to put that first section in, the first aluminum or galvanized, whatever, metal section in. And then when that was put in, the change wasn't made for the hole. So the hole was put in as if that change hadn't been made, and then the hole was too low. So the first, and I had the video of that Rasquache contraption. So now this is the fix. And then where the cardboard is on the top, that's where the exhaust is going to come out there, and then it's going to go straight across here, and I'll take a video then too that's going to come into this bigger unit. And then so this will be sucking the air out of the restaurant apparently, and bringing it out over to the Riverwalk, so the people on the Riverwalk can smell the French fries or whatever they're going to smell. Maybe want to come in and get something to eat. But so you can see, but there's still problems. Because I think now, because of this big shunting here, with the two bends, 90-degree angles, I don't know that much about the heating, air conditioning, exhausting process, but I'm sure it's going to cause extra work on this fan, which this fan's going to overheat and go out sooner than it was designed to, because of all the extra work of having to go up and around and down again to get the air out. And then also, this unit is too close to the other two. I mean, there's a big space. You can see the space between these other ones that allows the air to come out the sides. This one, there were three sides. Now one side is blocked because of this unit, and now this unit technically is still blocking the exhaust of one of these, but it's got two more. But one of those is pretty close to the wall. So I'm feeling all three of these units are eventually going to overheat and give out because of this configuration. And my idea would have been to build this platform up over higher, so the base is higher than both those other units, and then just the heat would be up by itself, and the air from the other one would still be able to exhaust out whichever way. And then this one, the shunt could have been straight out over the top of this rather than through the wall. But anyway, this is the fix. This is the latest. This was just finished today, this big ugly bypass. So we'll see what happens. This is the between the old building. The building on the left is up to the third floor is 1890, and everything else, the fourth floor and everything you see on to the right and straight ahead is all 1907 addition. And birds are empty there. I guess someone must have emptied that thing today. But anyway, so this is where the exhaust is down here on the bypass, and the door to the restaurant is right down here. There's the chapel, the wedding chapel, the computer place, and then the Jalisco restaurant is down here. Yeah.